Because they
You
want
can't
to
even see it.
jumpstart my life.
Oh, it's because that thing's covered up.
What? What are you doing on the phone?
Don't you worry
No,
about
you
it.
don't even let me touch your phone. What are you doing?
Go.
How are you going to double check?
Look at the fucking. Oh, we get a monster truck. The monster truck.
You want me to call trucks.
Okay, whatever.
You're a truck. You're a truck man.
Uh-huh.
You never wanted to have a truck, you're probably not a man.
Hmm.
If you consider yourself a man, you probably want a truck in your life. You never thought about running over a car. You had a shitty childhood and you should probably kill yourself. Honest to God. It's a town. It's a town. Nobody nuts up to do nothing with it. It's sad. Makes me want to cry. And all y'all that don't have one, don't want one, or want an impressive lady ever in their life, it's called big trucks. I'm not gonna lie. Or filthy lowriders. They don't want to go fast. Fast is scary. If you get something fast, then it better be expensive. Because, you know, she don't want to go fast. She wants to look expensive. The more expensive she looks, the better she feels. The more envy she gets from other women. And, you know, women are always about that. Hey, I look better than you, but I hope you know that I look better than you. Because then I cannot act like such a bitch. I can just, you know, I can just know that you know that I'm better than you. That's how women are. But truthfully. If you got any problems with any of these facts, bring it up to me. And I'll tell you, they're facts. Get over it. I don't know what else you want to hear. Yeah, rat rod a monster truck. How about that? That's what my goal is. That and sport trucks. What are the trophy trucks? Why? Because